There is no real advantage in being the second cheapest on the market. Beginner resellers get pricing completely wrong. I know I did when I first started. To avoid this mistake, I made this video to show you how I price my items for a maximum profit. By the way, my name is Martin. I quit a 9-to-5 rat race to flip items instead. Let me tell you a story. A few weeks ago, I purchased a car to resell. It is a beautiful Toyota Yaris and has everything that a city dweller needs. Low kilometers, a great fuel economy, and an automatic transmission. I bought the car for 5.4k and figured it would be easy to resell for 7.2k. I created a new listing on Facebook Marketplace, took a few pictures and hit upload. Within 5 minutes, messages came flooding in. Many people were interested and offered to buy the car the same day. Then my business partner mentioned that it might be a good idea to price the item at 8.9k to see if more money could be made on the car. I was not too fond of the idea because I wanted to quickly sell the car so I can get another car in. But I agreed and re-uploaded the car for 8.9 thousand. Then I waited. To my surprise, more messages came in regardless of the price increase. And a few people even came to inspect the car, none of which purchased it. Even though nobody bought the car in the end for the high 8.9k price. This little experiment gave me an idea. Other than cars, I also flip other items, like fridges. I made a video about that in the past, which you can see here if you haven't already. I decided to try this pricing strategy on selling fridges instead. So I got a fridge in the other day, which I thought was worth $100. But I decided to list it for $150 instead of $100. I started receiving messages for this fridge in the same rate as if I would have uploaded it for $100. And within a few days, the fridge was sold. And I was shocked. How could this change in price lead to such a dramatic improvement? There's a few reasons why this could be the case. By charging more, you avoid undercharging. You're basically not leaving any money on the table. People assume expensive items to be of a higher quality. And let's be honest, if you need a fridge, it doesn't matter if it's $100 or $150. You kind of just want the item straight away. So here's how you can use this strategy for yourself. Research the value of the product. List it for 30 to 50% more than you think it's worth. Wait for a week. If it doesn't sell, reduce the price. Repeat from step 1 until it sells. Try out this method, see if it works for yourself. In conclusion, pricing your items higher than you think it's worth can be a complete game changer. It's not just about selling your item fast, but also about maximizing the profit. By starting off with a higher price point, you give yourself the opportunity to see if it's too high or not. Because if you start from the low point and sell it straight away, you will never know how much you could have actually gotten for your item. If you found these quick tips helpful and you want to learn more strategies about reselling, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will see you next time.